students. Today we are going to read Unit 5, Moe's Kite. What's the chapter name is? Moe's Kite. And Moe's Kite, this story is written by Thomas Anthony. A people who told a story to explain wonder of nature of Hawaii. He wanted to show a wonder of nature of Hawaii. In this story, there is a boy whose name is Moe. Moe wanted to tame wind. He wanted to control the wind. Okay? So he built a kite with the strongest cloth. He used branches of alona tree to make the strongest rope, because a kite tied with a string or rope. Okay, so this is an interesting story. We will read this story, but before beginning to our chapter, we will read hard words to correct pronunciation. Okay, so the first one is Approached. Approached. Once again, Approached. Approached, it means come near. Okay, now Everlasting. Everlasting. Okay, everlasting, it means continuing forever. Now Soared. Soared, it means rose high into the air. Have you seen kite? Kite सभी ने देखा होगा. When the kite fly, it rose high and high in the air. ये बहुत ऊंचा जाता है. Okay, so it rose high and high in the air. So here it soared, it means rose high into the air. Now next, Churning. Churning, it means move round and round rather violently. Move round and round rather violently. When the kite flies in the sky, then it moves round and round violently. Okay, so here churning, it means moving round and round. Churning. Now Snatched. Snatched, it means to take something with a quick rough movement. If you are doing something, okay, if you are doing something and a person or your siblings come near to, okay, and he or she takes something with a rough quickly movement, so that is called snatched. झपट लेना, छीन लेना. Okay, snatched. Snatched, to take something with a quick rough movement. Struggling, it means to try very hard to do something. Okay, to try very hard to do something, that is called struggling. If a person achieve his success, then he has to struggle in his life. If you want to achieve any success, then you have to also struggle in your life, then you get success. So here, struggling, it means to try very hard to do something. Snapped. S-N-A-P-P-E-D. Snap, it means to be broken suddenly. Snap, it means to be broken suddenly. Okay. So when something is broken suddenly, that is called a snap. Now, A-M-A-Z-E-M-E-N-T. Amazement. Amazement, when a feeling comes with surprisingly, that is called amazement. Amazement, it means a feeling of great surprise. Once again, we will repeat it. A-P-P-R-O-A-C-H-E-D. Approached. Approached, it means come near. E-V-E-R-L-A-S-T-I-N-G. Everlasting, continuing forever. S-O-A-R-E-D. Soared, it means rise high into the air. C-H-U-R-N-I-N-G. Churning, move round and round rather violently. Snatched. S-N-A-T-C-H-E-D. Snatched, to take something with a quick and rough movement. Okay. S-T-R-U-G-G-L-I-N-G. Struggling, to try very hard to do something. S-N-A-P-P-E-D. Snapped. Snapped, it means to be broken suddenly. A-M-A-Z-E-M-E-N-T. Amazement. Amazement, a feeling of great surprise. A feeling of great surprise, that is called amazement. Okay, students. So what you have to do, you will repeat these words once again to correct pronunciation.